Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. And in this video, I'll show you on how to trim or cut some part of your video in Camtasia video editing software. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular video right here in my Camtasia video editing software, I might decide to cut some of the part of the video from the beginning or in the middle or at the last part of the clip. How do we cut? Like for instance, I want to cut from the beginning right here where there is no actual action in the section of this particular video right here. So I want to cut off this area. How do we do that? There are so many ways by which you can use to cut your clip in Camtasia video editing software. One of the first ways is that you can use shortcut key by simply drag your playhead, then highlight the area you want to cut like this. Once you select everything, now I'm going to cut this part here, or this part. I'm going to cut it from this video. And for that, once you highlight the area you want to cut, press Ctrl plus X and it will automatically cut off from the video. So if you take a look at this now, the video has been cut off from the beginning right here. Let's say for instance, I want to cut some part from the middle of the video clip in the timeline. So I'm going to go ahead, drag the playhead to a certain point where I want to cut. So I'm going to zoom in my timeline right here. So from this part here, I want to cut from this part to this part. For that, so I'm going to use a command key, press S. So once you click on X, it's going to break the timeline into two. We have first clip right there and the second clip right here. Now, I want to bring out this particular empty space where there was no any talking right here. So continue to drag your playhead until you get to where there is an action. Select the clip again and press letter S on your keyboard. Then we have this clip right here on useful, and I'm going to go ahead and simply delete it. What you need to do here is to select the clip and press the delete key. But in this regard, when you use this method, it means that you are going to create an empty gap. So in this regard, you can decide to insert another thing right here, or better still, you can go and drag the clip to join the previous clip right here. It's that simple. Let's say from here to here, I want to delete it and cut it off from my clip. How do we do? So we can use the previous method, which is highlight the area you want to delete. So I'm going to delete this part and I'll press Ctrl plus X and it will automatically delete that part and move the clip and join them together. If you take a look at this one now, it's not like the previous one that creates a gap. So this one here cuts the area I do not want and match the clip all together. It's that simple. Let's say for instance I want to cut the last part. Come to the last part right here. So we can select all the last part section and press Ctrl X. This will cut everything and then move clip all together. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Camtasia video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.